Natalie, and we have Mark Jacobs with us here. He is a Paris and Ranger puppy that is going to mature around 20-25 pounds. These guys are AKC registered. Ranger has his OFA chick certification, so these guys have 100% clear genetics. They're going to make great family pets, or he has the potential to make a breeding prospect. He has a wide variety of colors. He is ATAT, KYKY. He carries brown, he carries party, he carries red, apricot. So he has really great genetics and just a really wonderful temperament too. He's pretty laid back, very affectionate, and we're very happy with this litter here. So these guys are 8 weeks old and ready for their new families. They were at the vet last week and got a clean bill of health, no hernias, no heart murmurs, no over/under bites, and they had their vaccinations as well as a negative fecal report. So you can see more information and more pictures at doodledynasty.com.